Hi everyone, in this session, I'm going to give you the demo of this application bolt connection. This application makes it easier to create bolt between two parts. When we create bolt between two parts, we have to pick the primary member and secondary member and pick 2 points to indicate the direction. Whereas with this application, you just select the secondary parts only. This application will automatically read the primary part and create bolt between two parts. Let's go to Tekla. When you open this application, you can see there are two input types. You can select only the secondaries and primary and secondary. Let's start with secondaries. I'm going to pick all these members as secondaries. Once I press the middle mouse, it will automatically create the bolt between two parts. And it is just a matter of opening the application and change the settings. And here the primary member is UV section and the secondary is angle. So let me just select the component and change the settings. And this is the contour plate and this is the beam plate. Now I'm going to pick these two plates and press the middle mouse and then open the application, changing the settings. And this is the PFC member. I'm going to apply bolt between the plates and PFC section. If you want to pick primary and secondary member, then change the input type. Pick the primary and pick the secondary. Select the component and change the settings. If you want to create slotted hole instead of bolt, pick off this box and there you can see the slotted hole. As you can see how easy to create bolt between two parts using this application. There is no doubt this is going to save you a lot of time because you can pick multiple secondaries and then create bolt between two parts. And feel free to get back to me if you have any question. And thank you for watching this video.